Hello, good afternoon. My name is Dr. Chudi Ufondu, the convener of Snowspirations Global Health Solutions. And this is just a quick video to welcome you to our group. Remember, we have two platforms in Facebook. We have our page, then we have our group. The name of our group is Snowspirations Global Health Solutions. The reason why we started the group is very simple. We got tired of all the complaints in maternal health. We had so many of our women who died from things that ordinarily we could have prevented. So there were so many preventable conditions in maternal health. So this was my motivating factor that made me to devote at least 1 hour of my break time every day since 2015 to kind of help women who prior to now, they don't have the basic knowledge of their body. Simple things like their ovulation, their fertility window, their cycle. So we're able to help them to understand things better. And we recorded a lot of progress since then. So this is just a way of welcoming you to our group. And the best gift you can give to your friends right now, it's membership of this group. And it's completely free of charge. Virtually every day we run a clinic. And Mondays are clinics for women that want to become pregnant. Then Wednesdays are clinics for the community. It's called Community Health Clinic. Then Fridays are clinics for women about their 40s. Then on Sunday, I run a clinic for maternal and child health clinic. Now, I also have clinics in between by my co-provider, Dr. Ndiche, which is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Pretty much a lot of things you can get from the group. So I just want to welcome you, and I just want to give you a chance to believe that you can become a mother, regardless of your situation. You see, infertility expires. Infertility is not permanent, but motherhood is permanent. So your infertility has an expiring date. So I'm just encouraging you to keep on doing your best. The motto of our group is PPP. The first P is praying. We pray a lot. We believe that God is the ultimate. Then the second P is playing, which means making love. And in our group, we've adopted a 48-hour kind of gap. So you make love every 48 hours to increase your chances of becoming pregnant. The reasoning is very simple. So many people are having problems with getting exactly the timing when they ovulate. But when you go out there and you increase the frequency, you're increasing your possibility of becoming pregnant naturally. The third P is practicing. So practicing means knowing where to transition to get help from a fertility specialist. So thank you for giving me this opportunity and sharing your time to see what we can do to get results. God bless you and bye-bye for now.